Hi, and a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching my first ever YouTube video, and I'm so excited about this journey. Okay, so let me introduce myself. My name is Kamran Ahmed, and I'm a UK-based database nerd with a lot of experience in the database world. I've done bachelor's and master's in computer science, and I'm also a certified Azure data engineer and a Power BI developer. I'm currently working as a data engineer in a British company. On this channel, I will be sharing my experience with you. My main focus will be data analytics, data pipelines, and data visualization. Basically everything data. I will be focusing on Power BI in my first series of video and will be sharing my experience with you. This video is first of many videos that I will be creating to spread the knowledge about this powerful visualization tool. As we will be discussing about Power BI, it is very important to understand the meaning of BI. So what is BI stands for? So BI stands for business intelligence, and it is an umbrella term that is used for the technology and processes that enable data preparation, data mining, data management, and data visualization. With the help of business intelligence, an organization can make data-driven decisions. So now you know about business intelligence or BI, so we can talk about Power BI. So what is Power BI? Power BI is a Microsoft offering for BI solution, and it is part of Microsoft Power Platform. Power BI is an enterprise business analytics solution that lets you visualize your data, and it allows you to share insights across your organization. And you can also embed them in your application or on your website. The best thing about Power BI is that it provides you interactive visualization and business intelligence capabilities. So what it means is basically it allows you to bridge the gap between the data and the decision making by providing some valuable insight. So the main thing to remember is that Power BI is a Microsoft product, and it's a business intelligence offering from Microsoft. And this powerful product can be used for the data visualization and data analytics at an enterprise level. Power BI can be categorized into three parts. So we can say like Power BI has got three different areas. So the first area is a window desktop application, which is called as Power BI Desktop. We will talk about this application, this Power BI Desktop application later on. The second part is an online service or online web portal, which is called Power BI Service, where you can view your reports, you can see your dashboard, you can interact with your dashboards on Power BI Service. And the third part is Power BI mobile app. So basically you can convert your dashboard and reports to tablet or mobile devices without doing any kind of extra coding. So that's the beauty of Power BI. Besides these three parts of Power BI, there are two other elements as well that are also part of Power BI. So the first one is Power BI Report Builder. So as the name suggests, like it is to create some reports, and these reports are like quite traditional reports that you might have developed in Oracle Report Builder or maybe in Crystal Report or maybe in some other reporting tool. So this one is basically to create some paginated reports in Power BI. And the second one is Power BI Report Service, which is basically an on-premises report server where you can publish your Power BI reports after creating them in Power BI Desktop. But we're not going to talk about Power BI Report Builder and Power BI Report Server in this series. We will be more focusing on the Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service side of things that allow you to create some powerful visualization, and then you can share it on Power BI Service with your colleagues or with some external people to interact with the data. So let's talk about Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is a free application that you can download on your machine, and that allow you to connect your data. You can do transformation, you can cleanse your data. And once your data is in good shape, then you can create some visualization, you can run some analytics. And once you are happy with your reports, once you are happy with your charts and graphs, you can share it with your colleagues, you can share it within your organization, or you can also share it outside your organization. We will talk about it in later videos. So suppose you have created some data visualization using Power BI Desktop and you want to share it with your colleagues. So how can you share it? Here comes the Power BI Service. So Power BI Service allows you to share your data visualization with your colleagues within your company. So you can use this particular service to publish your data models. You can publish your data visualization, charts and graphs. And Power BI service is more like a software as a service. So basically it allows you to create some nice dashboards. So whatever reports, whatever charts you have developed, so you can create some dashboard as per the individual requirement. So let's say if someone is working in a sales department, so they might want to see like the daily and monthly and quarterly sales on their dashboard. Whereas if someone is working in the finance department, they might want to see a different type of information on their dashboard. So you can create customized dashboard and you can share it using the Power BI service. You can see your data visualization, you can see your reports, and you can see your dashboard on a web browser. But what if you want to see all these visualization on your mobile or on your tablet? So here comes Power BI mobile apps, because using Power BI mobile apps, you can share your data visualization, charts and graphs on mobile devices, including tablets, mobile phone. So in order to download Microsoft Power BI Desktop, you need to type in powerbi.microsoft.com. It will take you to Power BI website. And then you need to scroll down and look for Power BI Desktop application. So over here, you can see download Power BI Desktop. Click download free and it will start to download. Once you have successfully installed Power BI Desktop application, you can click the icon and it will show you this welcome screen for Power BI Desktop application. So in order to create any visualization or in order to create any charts or graphs, so first thing you need to do is you need to import your data in Power BI Desktop application. So you can click this get data button and it will show you a lot of options in order to get the data. So over here you can see like it has got quite a lot of sources, data sources, and there are 100+ data sources from where you can source your data. So today I'm going to source the data from a text or CSV file, but you can source the data from Excel, you can source the data from Access database or SQL Server, Oracle, or any other data source. And these are called data connectors. So I'm going to click this text CSV option, click connect. It will ask you for that data file. So I've got my data file in my download folder, and this particular data file is basically house price index data for UK. So it has got house prices indexes starting from 1996. So it has got a lot of data, and we will be exploring this data and creating some meaningful data visualization. So you can see the data in this window, and if you're happy with the data, you don't want to perform any other operation, so you can simply say load and it will automatically load your data in Power BI. So it will create a copy of all this data in your Power BI data model. So over here you can see loading data to model, and now it is importing the data from the CSV file into your Power BI desktop. It will take some time. Okay, so now you can see that the data is loaded successfully in Power BI Desktop. So you can click the data and you can see your data within Power BI Desktop. And on the right hand side, you can see this particular table. So it has created a table in Power BI Desktop, and the table name is same as the file name. And these are all the columns that were there in the CSV data file. And over here, you can see all the columns. So this is your date, this is region name, area code, average price, etc. Now let's say you want to do some data cleansing before loading this data into Power BI Desktop. So we can do some data cleansing, we can do some transformation. I will explain all these options later in some other videos. So once your data is loaded in Power BI Desktop, you can see your data by clicking this icon. So this is your data icon. So it will show you the data. And then we have got another tab which is for models. So you can see your data models. So let's say you have got more than one tables in your Power BI Desktop file. So you can see over here multiple tables, and then you can see the relationship as well. But in this particular example, we have got only one table, one file. So that's why you cannot see any other table or any other relationship. And the third one is basically for data visualization, for report. So by using this particular tab, you can build your visuals for your data. So because we are just starting with this journey, so I'm going to create a very simple visualization by using this data. So I'm going to take this matrix visualization. So matrix visualization is quite similar to like pivot table in Excel. So you can drop your visualization here. Then you can pick up, like in our data, we have got regions. So I'm going to create rows as region, and then my columns, I want to use years as my column value. And then I just want to see the volume, sales volume, like how many houses were sold each year in different regions. So that's why I'm picking up this value. And now you have created a matrix report within Power BI. And as you can see, like we have done it very quickly. So within no time, we have created this visualization, and you can see all the regions that are available in your data. You can see all the column values for various years, starting from 1995 going up to 2021. And similarly, you can see rows total as well as column total. Don't worry about the formatting, because we are going to discuss in the next video. So in this video, we have covered the basic concept about the business intelligence, basic concept about the Power BI, and we have used the sample data file to create a powerful visualization, which is basically a pivot table in our case. And we have created this visualization quite easily without making a lot of efforts. So this is a very good example to show you the power of Microsoft Power BI tool. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I hope you like and subscribe and share my video. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye.